looking at settings, playing it with settings, and improving. Simulation and digital twins has been a phenomenal add to our portfolio as well. Now with Minitab Simul8, you can actually look at a process map and put in your process flow, and then without making changes, simulate whether your potential changes are going to actually create improvement or not. And one of the, so it's letting you change how many people you have working at a station, for example, or if I add a manufacturing line here, what is my throughput going to be, right? We make a lot of capital expenditures are incredibly expensive. This allows us to test before we spend, right? So I can set up a virtual version of what my manufacturing floor looks like, and I can change it. And I can say, I can add more resources over here or over there and simulate what the results will be. Is it worth investing in a new CMM system, for example? Maybe, maybe not. But now I can test what that is going to do before spending all that money and seeing where I have bottlenecks. And even without looking at equipment expenditures, just seeing my process as it's running now, that's a digital twin, right? And looking at where the bottlenecks are, because then I can find ways to improve. So just a really great tool to add to your toolkit of optimizing your factory of the future is simulating with a digital twin, and where you can improve and make changes to get that flow. So here is just a little closer up view of my CNC machine. What if I add another one? I can actually look at my demand rate and see my throughput and watch it change over time. And now, okay, maybe I'll try adding a new machine in here. Is that going to help, or is that just going to move the bottlenecks someplace else, right? I don't know until I've actually simulated this. So one of the major, there are a lot of use cases for simulation. One of the big ones that we see is exactly what I described, reducing the cost of investing in things we don't need, right? We want to make sure that, okay, I added new equipment or new people over here because that's a bottleneck, but does that just move the bottleneck further down the line? Incredibly powerful stuff.